Hi, hello everyone, guys. How are you all? So today's topic is the we know that one important topics of the NCRT, which is not given explanation in the NCRTs. So it is very important for your NEET examination. So in front of camera making the video, it's first time. So I will try it now. So let's begin to the class hours today. First is a class. In previous video we have learned the class 11 topics which are important for your NEET examination. Now from class 12 there is a reproduction part which we learn the detailed concept of the male and female secondary sex organs, which is very important, and structure of sperm and ovum. So you can analyze that one. In NCERT textbook they had given the structure of the sperm and ovum, but in detail formed what is this going on in a process they had not given. So that's we learn in that. Next is reproductive health. Hysterectomy. In simple word we can say the definitions, but we have to go on through on the application form also. Next, ectopic pregnancy, causative agents of STDs, means sexually transmitted diseases. Next, mechanism of actions of contraceptives. We know the contraceptives are which are they even causing its mechanism going through that one. Next, RISUG. So here RUSUG, which is not given, reversible inhibition of sperm under guidance. It is like a contraceptive method which is not even used now, but is come through now in a 3 packs year we have learned this one. Here this one RUSUG is a reverse inhibition of sperm under guidance. Without a guidance we do not get injected. Next, in genetics, principle of inheritance and variations. These are the basic lesson for genetics is principle of inheritance, and second one is molecular basis, which is an application form. So in the principle of inheritance and variation chapter, you have to learn the complementary genes. What are complementary genes? What are supplementary genes? And dominant and recessive epistasis and Edwards syndromes. It is very important syndrome, and Powter's syndrome, genes balance theory, which is not given in NCRT. You can say that it is an out of NCRT. Next, molecular basis of inheritance, eukaryotic DNA polymerase, detailed concept of translation, types of mutations, lac operon, cistron, recon definition, types of histone, packaging of DNA. Next, evolution, numericals of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, speciation, types of speciations we learned. Mutation theory, human evolution sequence, human health and disease. In this chapter, it is from a biology and human welfare main headline. Vaccines and their generations. Vaccine has given, but which generations they had not given. Organ transplantation and types. Life cycle of plasmodium. You know life cycle of plasmodium, which is given in NCRT. In an application form we learnt. Next, in ecology, organism and population. Here R selected and K selected species. These are the different you can learn. Not a most different, but it's very conceptual points topics, that one. And numerical based on population attributes, types of adaptations and their examples. Next, ecosystem. Now, numerical based on NPP and GPP. It is in a gross primary product, net primary product. You have solved so many numericals in your examinations, in your modules, but it can be asked in other way also. Next, 100% law of energy transfer, small concept. Next, sequence of hierarch and xeric successions, ecology pyramid of forest, ocean, grassland and pond ecosystem. Next, in biodiversity conservation, name of extinct, endangered, vulnerable and critically endangered species. Next, alpha, beta and gamma diversity, habitats of particular animals in respective national parks and their location, concept of endemic species. Next, last lesson is environmental issues. Dates are important. This is, dates are very important. Of the environmental issue means what are issuing falling in our all our around us, environment, such air pollution, noise pollution, what are going, in which year it come across. The dates are very important, and UN parties of climate change. These are important. The important topics. You can say that dates are important means it is not out of NCRT, but global warming, ozone depletions, all the such all environmental issues are going all over surround our environment. All the dates should be recorded in our notes. I will provide the notes. So if you like this video, hit the like button, guys, and share this video to your friends who are preparing for the NEET 2022 and 2023 batch also. Not particularly I'm making the video for the NEET examination students, not for only NEET aspirants. Also making video for the board examinations also. I will make it. And if any queries, you can ask me the questions in the comment section. Please comment down the below how you like this video, and do not miss to subscribe the channel. So keep touching with us, and I will make the good video for you.